Engaging your students in the natural environment can be challenging. This is where Near It Nature Schools can assist. Hi, I'm Stephen Crane from Near It Nature Schools with the Parks and Wildlife Service. Near It Nature programs are designed to complement and enhance your classroom teaching. Suitable for students of all ages, the programs provide opportunities for students to take part in hands-on experiential learning. Students will engage in creative problem solving on important environmental and community issues such as bushfire, threatened species, Aboriginal culture and human impact on river, wetlands and forest ecosystems. Near It Nature Schools operates out of several locations around Perth and the southwest, including purpose-built facilities like the Perth Hills Discovery Centre and Wellington Mills. Excursions and resource packs are also available for teachers if required. Above all, the programs seek to build an understanding of our biodiversity and conservation, inspiring commitment to the future health of this very special part of the planet. And this learning can start today. To find out more or to book, please contact us today.